Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. So today I am doing another collaboration with Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design, and we're basically going to start doing collaborations every week with each other. I'm not sure whether we're going to have a set day yet, we still need to discuss that, but I think we're probably going to take it in turn to sort of pick what we're going to do for the collaboration. So this week I have picked, and I thought what would be fun is doing a design using the same stuff from Charlie's Nail Art. As many of you may know, both me and Vicky are brand ambassadors for Charlie's Nail Art, so we've both placed a few orders with her anyway, so we've got quite a lot of stuff and we've got quite a few bits which are the same, so I thought it'd be fun to pick out some bits that we've both got and create a design with them, see what we both come up with. So we had a little discussion. Vicky wanted to sort of do like some beach themed nails, which Charlie's Nail Art does a lot of really nice sort of beach things. So we have picked these wraps and they're really nice. Like Vicky says, she really likes the colours in them. I really like the colours in them too. They're really beautiful, very beachy and just absolutely gorgeous. And then also we have picked these gold embellishments for like shells and bits like that. So those are the bits that we are using from Charlie's Nail Art. And then we've also both got the same Beetles gel polish sets, so we are using the same colours from Beetles gel polish sets that we've both got, and yeah, just seeing what we come up with. So I'll link Vicky's video down in the description box below, make sure you check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to her channel and follow her on Instagram as well. All details will be in the description box below. I hope you like what we come up with. Like I said, this is probably going to be a weekly thing now. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing more videos with Vicky in the future. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to crack on now and show you what I've come up with. And yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you like Vicky's design too. She has done an absolutely wonderful job. But anyways, like and subscribe everyone, much love. And yeah, enjoy the video. Bye!